really take this information seriously, online and here, right? Take this information seriously. Start researching, right? Contact Ricardo, contact Jane, contact Robbie, contact me, right? So we can really start to build, right? It's not just let me make some money and I'm good because I can sleep tonight. No, they talked about foundations. What is your foundation? What did I talk about? Health, wealth, love, and happiness. That's your foundation. If you don't have that, you're already dead, right? So we gotta get into this, and we gotta have black wealth as a priority. Next time you rather go buy the $1,000 wig, say, how is this helping me build black wealth? The next time you go buy the $1,000 Gucci belt, how is this helping me build my black wealth? Ask yourself these right questions, right? Trigger thoughts, right, in your head. Read these books. I'm going to go over these books again. So whoever missed it, The Wealth Choice by Dennis Kimbro, okay? The Success Secrets of Black Millionaires, a great book. Start reading, guys, I'm telling you. 3 Feet from Gold. Start reading. How to Lower Your Taxes, Black Labor, White Wealth. I'll listen to the audio with this one. This is going to blow you away. Black Labor, White Wealth by Claude Anderson. He's like an older activist, you know, for the community. But this book is going to blow you away. I bought the audio, and then this one, I didn't get a chance to read it, but just listening to the audio will blow you away. So those are some resources, right, for you guys to start tapping into, right? Even if you can't go out the house, right? Start going on Amazon, buying these books, right? Start researching all the knowledge that I just gave. Everybody should have pages of notes of stuff that you can go back and say, you know what? Let me really start taking this black wealth thing seriously. Let me really start taking taxes seriously. Let me really start taking money seriously, my health seriously. Right? Because remember the 4 pillars: health, wealth, love, and happiness. And you have to be working on all of these things simultaneously to be successful. So I hope everybody came and got what they needed tonight. Okay? Because at the end of the day, guys, we are all we have. And we need to support one another. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Coach Tanisha Marie. Follow my YouTube, which is Tanisha Marie. I'm going to write down some websites for e-commerce sites for some of you guys that don't have a website for your business. So one, this one, right? So one is Shopify. So Shopify is the best one because Shopify does everything. Okay, it does your analytics for you. It helps you also with ads. They also have funding. They also keep your customers. Everything, Shopify. They also have WooCommerce. Similar to Shopify, just not as sophisticated as Shopify. Okay? They have Big Cartel. Big Cartel is free. Shopify is not free. WooCommerce, they have a free package. And then Big Cartel is also a free one. Everybody should know about Wix. Only thing I don't like about Wix is too complicated. It's too complicated. I'd rather get a Shopify store, set a theme up, add my products, and start marketing. This, I don't know. But it's free, so people use it. Right? It's free all day. This started at $29. I think this started at $19. This one is free, but this also has a $10 or $20 a month fee for that. You also have Facebook Marketplace. That can also be a website for you. Facebook Marketplace. How many people have Facebook? You can start using the marketplace to sell your products. Shopify, WooCommerce, Big Cartel, Wix, Facebook. You can start using these to start marketing your brand. And ClickFunnels, the ultimate is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a way to market your products and services, a way to get leads, a way to capture leads, everything. So for you guys that don't have e-commerce, you need to get into this, right? E-commerce is the way, right? This is not a game. This is not for play, right? This is true things that's going to work and help you build your brand. So write these down, and you can start researching this.
You know what's good for people starting up too? Square website.
So they have Square.